Forget. There you go. Excuse me. Can I have my socks, please? Thank you. Anyway, welcome back to Pearson Fitness. Today is a Sunday. I'm going to take you through the day. I'm going to give you a little bit of an updated house tour because as you can see, there's a few new little bits. Sofa is also coming today, which we cannot wait for. So I will show you that. I'm also going to train legs again. Take you through the day and then just see whatever we record. But yes, morning gratitude journal. Every single morning. You can see this is my third one now. Filled all them out. Every single day. Write a date. Write three things I am grateful for, and then also a little positive affirmation or just a quote, just something, whatever I want to write to start the day. But yeah, every morning, never miss a day. Get up, start the morning routine, and make it a productive Sunday. No laying in, getting hungover, because the last few weeks I've been slacking. Moving into a new house and stuff and bars open, I've been having a few drinks on a Saturday, so I haven't been waking up as fresh on a Sunday, but fresh as a daisy this morning, up at 6:30, making a good one. Right, cookies. You ready? Give me food, give me food.
Stop jumping, your little legs, you're wet.
Ooh, scrambled egg.
It's a bit hot, baby, in here, let it cool down.
That's what I have to do, I get told off all the time.
Well, you should dry your paws. It's a responsibility of being
The self-drying paws, I've trained it, yes.
On Mummy's floor and furniture.
They are, aren't they?
No.
She's dying for food.
I want my scrambled
Right,
eggs.
anyway, gonna get ready for the gym. Definitely need, I realise the lighting's a bit rubbish in here actually. Get back on the superhero diet.
She's looking at the camera like, what's going on?
Oh my god, she's jumping up there. She can jump up there.
Did you nearly jump on
You
there?
literally just jumped and touched that.
I just made it.
She was getting up to the living thing.
It's still a bit hot.
Right, calm down.
Lick Mummy's fingers.
God, she's only 4 months old, she's getting up to the kitchen cameras, yes, but for the 4th time, pre-workout, get downers, on the way to the gym. We'll do a bit more of a bodybuilding gym. Bodybuilding leg session. So we're going to do conditioning.
Bodybuilding gym?
Bodybuilding conditioning.
No, you fucking didn't. You said a wobble bob bob.
Bodybuilding leg session, conditioning tomorrow. Right, I'm done.
Are you sure you're okay to drive?
Right. Is it on? Well, on. Right, at the gym, training fasted this morning as always, so we've got our pre-workout which we sip on. Make sure you get probably a litre of water or something in before you train. Got my intro workout, got 30 grams of carbs, 15 grams of EAs, some electrolytes and my 5 grams of creatine. Keep us fueled during the workout. It's going to be a long one. You ready?
No.
Pre-workout. By far the best tasting one I've ever had. But I have just got the MVP roadside lemonade bomb. Got it. I've just had that one. Just got it, so I'm going to try that one. But yeah, I'm going to hopefully see if we can film in the gym. If we can't, I'm going to try and sneak some clips in anyway. Let's go. I was a little bit naughty. I might have filmed a few things on the phone, so I didn't use the camera. I tried to not get people in the background, so I'm sorry if I get banned from that gym, but I was trying to be good and I want to try and film little bits and bobs. Very, very good leg session. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Did you enjoy it? It was fantastic. Bodybuilding specific one, my knees feel 10 times better because I've been hammering myself with like CrossFit-y functional stuff in legs and my knees have been torn to bits, but very good. So we started off, did hip adductions, so adductions bringing the legs in, add to the body. So adductor work, did 3 sets of 15. I'll put little videos in the background. 3 sets of 15 of that one. Pretty much working to failure on most sets, obviously building up to the top set. And then second, we did hip abductions, which is for your glutes, so that's abducting, so pushing away. Like good girls and bad girls, so good girls, legs in, bad girls, legs out.
People actually call them that?
There was an old physio who told me that one.
Good girls and bad girls.
Good girls, bad girls.
The most sexist thing.
Oh well, good boys and bad boys then.
But you don't open your legs for anything?
Or good humans, bad humans, that's gender neutral, isn't it? Gender neutral, 21st century.
Good
anyway,
girls and bad girls.
Did 3 sets of that, didn't film the hip abductions, I don't think. Hamstring curl, lying hamstring curl first. Warmed up, did 2 sets to failure. Last set I did a drop set. I think I just filmed the first set, all out to failure, aiming for around, I think it was around 12 reps on that one. Moving on to leg extension, that was next. So I wanted to do leg extension first, but it was taken. Leg extension first, did same thing, 2 sets around 12 reps. I have to go really slow and control on this one, so my sets take absolutely ages just for my dodgy knees, but felt good after it. 2 sets, around 12 reps, then a little drop set at the end just to burn out. Then we did pendulum squat. Last time I done that, I was at ultra flex. That one's heavy, very heavy, but you can adjust the bottom pad, which I didn't realise. So only went up to like 30 kilograms and built up to 2 sets of between 6 and 10 reps to failure. I only managed the first set, I got 8 to failure at 30 kilograms, which is dreadful. And then the second set, I got 5. And the 6th one, Bryony actually had to assist me, which I wish I filmed because it was I was about to shout, and then it was a boost. Pendulum squat, then we moved on to split squats, the best exercise ever. I did rear foot elevated, Bryony did normal. 2 sets, 10 to 12 reps to failure. People are going to be walking past thinking, why is he talking to the camera? But got to roll with it. At least I wasn't filming in the gym. 2 sets of failure, film that one. And then to finish off, because I want to keep on working on my squats and my techniques, and I keep on wanting to build it, so I did a 10-minute, every 2 minutes on the minute, 8 reps, tiny little pause at the bottom. And then for the first 3 sets, I did L-sit hold. By the 3rd set, I couldn't hold it any longer, so I did 3 sets of 20-second L-sit holds. Only did 60 kilograms on the front squats, just kept it light. But my knees felt 10 times better for doing all that stuff, so just stick to that mind-muscle connection. If you have a little bit of knee pain when you're doing exercises, drop the weight, go a little bit higher reps, and slow the eccentric and concept went down a little bit. And that definitely helped. But, session done. Gonna get on with the rest of the day. I've got some check-ins to do. You've got to clean loads.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, she's hungry. She wants a McDonald's breakfast, but I might be good and not get anything.
That's not gonna happen.
I need to be good. And then I'll give you a little house tour when the sofa comes.
Woo.
Splendid session.
The queue here, then there is it.
Bryony Riches. What are you doing here?
Well, can I just say I only had 1 gin yesterday.
Oh, sorry.
And I didn't drink Friday. So I think I quite frankly deserve this.
Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't hurt me. Sorry.
Absolute.
Never give your girlfriend wrong for what she's drinking or eating.
I've never.
Don't make me feel
When it's
ashamed.
Any lads out there, does your missus do that all the time, saying, why are you having a McDonald's? Why are you saying I'm fat for? Why are you saying I'm fat for?
What do you want? Double bacon?
Double bacon on everything.
Uh-huh.
No, I don't know. No, I might just have pancakes and then I'll have a protein shake.
Oh, I gotta have the food and pancakes.
See, post leg day pancakes are actually alright.
Protein.
Just pancakes with syrup, please, dear.
Black coffee.
And a black coffee. I'm gonna get me shake. Post-workout, post-leg nutrition. We've got 60 grams of whey protein by Cymex. Their vegan protein is fantastic for oats, just to let you know. So I ordered some and then I ordered the whey protein as well, which is Irish, chocolate flavour. McDonald's pancakes, I haven't had these since I was like, Diddy. Gonna enjoy these. And also banana, I'll probably end up having something else after. Look at that. For a big leg day, plenty of carbs in the system. Remember, let the heart rate settle down. You're not in a rush to get food down you, especially if you've had some intra-workout. Let it calm down, relax, get home, enjoy the meal. We are back. That's the McDonald's coffee in the Nespresso mug. Yes, time to get some online check-ins done with the clients. I'll not bore you with with waiting around for me to do the online check-ins. But for anybody who's interested in online coaching who wants to find out more, the link down below, fill out the little form that's in the description. I'll get back to you, we'll have a little chat. But online coaching is perfect for anybody who maybe has a little bit more experience in the gym, wants to change up the training, or maybe has lost their accountability, went off track completely, and I will just plan your nutrition for you, your training for you. I'll be on your case, checking in with you, which is what I'm doing now every weekend. So you fill out a little questionnaire, how well's your training went, how well's your nutrition went. I'll look through your MyFitnessPal, see if you've been tracking all your food, hitting your calories, hitting your macronutrients that I've set you. You can send over some videos as well, which a lot of my clients do, to make sure the technique's on point. On a client at the minute, Steph, who I might put a little comparison video in somewhere, but week 1 to week 4 or 5 where we're on now, technique has massively improved through video feedback, sending a video over. I'll say, right, you need to work on this, that and the other. You could work on, I don't know, pushing your hips back a little bit more, keeping your chest up in a squat, whatever it is, and then we will progress from there. But yeah, if you are interested to find out more, let me know. If you're local to me in Newcastle or Crampton, one-to-one PT could be the way forward. But we'll jump in, get through the check-ins, and then I will catch you in a bit. Still haven't got a flipping sofa, and it's nearly 3 o'clock.
It's not, it's 2:30.
Well, it's 2:30.
We've got an hour and a half.
This is what we've been on.
For 2 months.
For 2 months. 2 months. Ordered in December. 2 months. Oh, update. Oh, let's sit down. You've got Instagram, don't you? Yeah, you got Instagram. Well, yeah, I do. You got Instagram, don't you? Yeah. What's it called? Secret
_life of Lola.
I will put it here. Follow Lola on Instagram and see her life in pictures. Got visitors?
Come on. She's been sunbathing. She didn't want to come in.
Look at the back flipping dog.
She doesn't stop. She doesn't stop jumping.
I like the jump, I like the jumpy.
She's going to break her hip at some point.
Secure the package. I'm filming a video there, too.
Secure the
You're kissing.
Come here, good.
Okay.
I mean, we've got nothing for you to say or take away yet. Yes, I'm presuming.
Oh, you've given us extras as well. The goods
There's loads of chicken.
are getting prepared. Sunday Din Dins is here. Look at that. And the sofa is also 15 minutes away, so we're gonna quickly eat this. And the sofa will be here. Sunday dinner, absolute must. Mint sauce. For the guy who commented on my bagel video who says that I had it's absolutely absurd that I'm having 4,000 calories daily. This is a normal day in the life. 4,000 calories is like the minimum. Probably hitting about 5,000 on some days. I'm a big lad. If you want to gain muscle, especially if you're tall and you're a ectomorph, you can have a lot of food. So get the calories in, especially on a leg day. Yes. Don't be afraid to eat. Right? Bye. Look at this. Woo! Oh, that's so soft.
Brendan, I kind of want to punch you in the face right now. Get off my sofa.
No.
Look at the dirty feet.
Oh. You know how nice this is to have a sofa after however long we've had.
Oh my god, this is like
I'm like floating on clouds.
Very nice, very nice.
Fantastic. DFS, was it called Indulgence? Indulgence DFS, there we go. Takes up a whole living room. Fantastic. Just putting this clip on as evidence of me hoovering.
I'll put it here when we're sitting down.
See.
is an MTV Cribs special presentation.
Hi, I'm not doing the MTV. Well, welcome to the house. Me and Lola are going to give you a house tour. We're going to do a fake MTV Cribs. Come inside. Here is the bathroom. Would you like to enter into the bathroom? Give them a quick little... You may enter the living room. This is when me and Lola like to chill out, don't we? You're not actually allowed on the sofa, so don't even try and get off because the cameraman will probably slap you, but yeah. Here's the sofa, got the TV on the wall behind as well. And then this is Lola's habitat. This is where Lola likes to climb up on top of and jump around. You're taking this job so serious. See the facials you're making. Right, come on then, get upstairs. That is gonna be the mobility patch right there, just there. New mobility patch. Anyway, come on then, let's go upstairs. Show you the BP Fitness HQ office. Yeah, get rid of the ladder. Right, spare room, come on then. Bathroom. Fantastic, right. Main bedroom, where absolutely zero magic happens. Lots of sleeping. Gotta do the typical. Yeah, I know how to do that. Oh, Lola wants to join in. You're allowed on the bed. Get in bathroom. It's where all the cold showers happen. Fantastic. Right, come on. Come on, tour guide. Let's go. We're gonna go to the fun bit now. The main attraction. Get my Gucci sliders on. And the Tommy Hilfiger ones have been ripped apart, right? Here we go. You ready? Yeah, it's electric. Here's the gym. We have the beast. We call her Karen because nobody likes Karen. Sorry, Auntie Karen. Assault bike. Got the skier. Got boxes, bags. Lola's home. Fridge, which is just not very well stocked, but we'll have the white monsters, protein shakes, knuckles, and then a freezer full of bagels and dog food. And there's the bench, adjustable dumbbells, kettlebells. Everything. Right, I can't go through the center. That's the tour. You're gonna end the video here. Can you still see me?
Yeah.
You sure? Camera woman, he's a wee. We're gonna go and chill on that bloody sofa and take the dog for a walk. It's been a pleasure. I'm gonna eat the rest of that Sunday dinner and go to sleep. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. Subscribe for Lola. Follow her down below. The little link for her Instagram's down below. She would say goodbye, but she's locked outside. It's been a pleasure. See you in the next video. Adios. Yeah, miles off, there we go. Right.